In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and add custom thumbnails to YouTube Shorts. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, it is important to know that YouTube doesn't let you upload a completely custom thumbnail for Shorts. However, you can choose any frame from your video and turn it into a thumbnail and even add text to it. Essentially though, once you have uploaded your YouTube short, either open up the YouTube app on your phone, whether it's on an iPhone, Android, or Samsung device, and once you are in this section, go ahead and tap the U button down in the bottom right corner, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. What you're going to want to do now is select View Channel and then go to the Shorts tab specifically and find whatever short you're trying to adjust the thumbnail for. In this case, let's go ahead and say I want to adjust, this one right here, since this is not really the best thumbnail in the entire world. Go ahead and select the three dots up in the top right corner of that short, and then go ahead and choose the edit button or the pencil looking icon button to bring up a page that looks like this. Up in the top, you'll see that same pencil icon. Select that and then find whatever frame it is that you want to go ahead and change that thumbnail to. For example, we'll do, this one right here, I guess, even though actually there's not really an instance that looks too great for this. I will say what you can do is just flash a custom thumbnail that you did make for like one frame at the end of your video, and then just go ahead and position that to that last frame, and it'll go ahead and have like an actual custom thumbnail. But this is a good way to adjust it, and you can even add text just like so. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.